how to create action figure on ChatGPT. First up, you need to head over to the ChatGPT website. And as you can see, I'm already here. So over here, you will get to see an interface like this. All your chats with ChatGPT will be visible on the left panel. And on the bottom left corner, you will get to see your profile. Over here on the text input field, you need to put in a detailed prompt for your action figure. Keep in mind to add as much detail as possible. If needed, go through your prompt one more time and make any necessary changes. After that, click on the Submit button on the right. And as you can see, ChatGPT is now generating an image prompt for the action figure. Give it some time to finish up. Sometimes it may take a little while. So once it's done, just prompt it to generate the image. It asked if I want to generate the image, so I will type in yes and then submit. And as you can see, our action figure image is now being generated. And once it's done, you'll be able to view it right over here. If you're satisfied, click on the download option and it will be downloaded onto your device. You can also click on the share icon. You will get to see all of these options that you can use to share the image. And that's it. That is exactly how to create action figure using ChatGPT.